manager Nadia and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a Buffbunny haul. So this was my first time actually ordering from Buffbunny. I usually, I've always been interested in it, but then I'm never there on like launch day and then it gets sold out and I just kind of forget about it. But this time I was on it. I was like, I want some new activewear. I feel like whenever I have new stuff, I get so much more motivated to like work out. It's just, I don't know how I used to wear like baggy shirts and stuff to the gym. Now I'm all about activewear, so, and makeup, but besides the point. And no, actually more clothes. I have a problem. Anyways, let's try it on. None of these things were sent to me. I purchased everything with my own money. So definitely an honest review coming at ya. Because I can't really lie. If I try to, my face shows everything. So, and I'm very picky about activewear, like very picky. So let's go ahead and get into it. For reference, I am 5 feet tall. I generally wear like a size 2 to 4 in Lululemon, depending on what it is. And then I am a 34C. So let's get into this review. Don't forget to subscribe before we get started. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see any more of these clothes, then definitely check out my Instagram. I'll pop it up somewhere during the try-on. But yes, let's go ahead and put some clothes on. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. This is the Rosa set. So we have the bra that fits like this, and then the leggings. So I love this color. I didn't think I would. I hate royal blue colors, but for some reason I was like, this Caribbean color, I was like, okay, something unique, not in my collection, whereas like the other colors, I felt like I kind of already had them. The bra is super comfortable. This is a size medium. I wasn't sure whether to go with a medium or a small because I felt like all the people that tried on the bras were a size small in them, and I'm like, I get really self-conscious. I carry so much weight in my back that I was like, how is this gonna look? You know, is it gonna like, you know, no one wants like your back fat squeezed, you know what I mean? But at the same time, they're not adjustable straps, so it's kind of like, I got this one in a medium and then I got some smalls, so I'll show you guys the difference. But this one's super comfortable, but more like, I'm not gonna run in it or anything like that. But I love the design. I love that it's a long line bra, so it's like a crop top, full show. And then, let me show you guys. So these are the leggings, which I absolutely love. So the leggings, I definitely love them, but let's test out if they're squat proof. Okay, so leggings are 100% squat proof. I wanted to test them out in a gym setting. I hope this is useful. If it is, make sure to let me know in the comments down below and give it a like. Just because, you know, we never know with lighting, like camera lighting and gym lighting is totally different. So this is just all natural gym lighting, and I could see nothing, which you can't say that about a lot of leggings. Like, a lot of people did compare these to like Lululemon Aligns, and I can definitely see the comparison. I feel like that's like the standard now. It's like the Tarte Shape Tape of concealers. You know, that's our standard Lululemon Aligns, which is funny because they get low rating and they pill like crazy, but I still love them. I'm not saying anything, but I love the leggings so much. I will say though, this is an extra small, and I got an extra small because a lot of people, I just remember when they first released, everyone said to size down, and I was like, I'm just gonna size down because I size down in my Aligns and I usually get a 2, and I'm really happy I did. I don't think you should size up in these because it's not like I'm particularly like super tiny, but like they roll down already. Like, so throughout a workout, like you are gonna get that rolling, which kind of sucks. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, everything else I do love about them. I will say the only 2 things I would say is, 1, I still think you should size down in them. They say that they're true to size, and a lot of other people have said that. I still think you should size down if you like a tighter fitting legging. And then 2, everything sticks to them. So I wore them this morning to work, and just know that like every hair, dog hair, cat hair, your hair, whoever's hair, is going to stick to the leggings. Not the end of the world, but I just thought I would mention it because I end up picking at myself so much. And I am trying on everything in with underwear because I just think that's gross. Girls are disgusting. I don't care what guys say. I feel like we're worse. Like dry shampoo, no underwear, like we're gross. So, all right, next up. All right, so next up we have the Nadia crop top. So, gonna have to adjust it a little bit, but this is what she looks like. Like I said, for some reason I was obsessed with this Caribbean blue color. I don't know if I would wear this to, like, you can wear it to work out. The fabric is so nice and soft, but really I would just pair this with like a pair of jeans and wear it out, or on days when I'm at work, just because I do like to be a lot more covered up when I am working. So the fabric is so nice. And I got this in a small. I might get a medium next time. It's super stretchy, so it's fine, but sometimes I don't really like high neck things. I feel like someone's like choking me, but it is super cute. And like I said, I'm only 5 feet, so it's a nice like little crop. It's not like like nothing's gonna come up, you know what I mean? So that's nice. I can tell I'm like starting to be leaner just by like, my little baby veins are coming out and I'm so excited. All right, so this is the Rosa bra in black. Black is a staple, no matter who, no matter what. Black is always your best friend until it gets deodorant marks on it, and then it's not your best friend. So this is a size small. I took the padding out so you guys could see what it looks like without the padding. The padding is pretty flimsy. It's not like it takes up a ton of room, whereas some bras, like you take out the padding and it's almost like a full size down. You can tell I'm definitely more secure in this one. The girls, well, they move, but they're not like awful. You know what I mean? So I don't know, if you're between sizes, I would say size up. It's not awful through my back, but definitely not as flattering as the medium, but at the same time, I'm supported more. And because these they don't have adjustable straps, like I said, I think they'll stretch out a little bit. So as long as the front part's covered, we're fine, we're good. But I do love the black. Okay, so this is the last bra. So this is a small as well. I left the padding in so you guys can see. I mean, I feel like it is double lined. If you want to take the padding out, I usually do, as long as I don't feel like I'm gonna get too, you know, just a little too cold. I don't want to display that to everybody. But it is double lined, so I don't think you'll have that problem. Like, whereas like the cups, I'd have to adjust them, and I just didn't feel like it. I got this in the champagne color as well. So thing is, I didn't get the Rosa leggings because I have these Lulu leggings that I like absolutely love, where I was like, I felt like they went with the set totally fine. And I was like, I don't need to buy 2 pairs of leggings that are pretty much the same color. So I just matched them with these. All right guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this try on. If you have any questions, just let me know. I think I went over everything. There's a little, it has that inseam where like it could possibly have camel toe if you really hike them up, but I don't feel like it's like a problem camel toe. Like definitely not as much as you would in like a pair of seamless leggings. So that's really nice. The only thing that I would, you know, the only negative I have is that they do roll down a little bit, but I don't mind that at all. And if you like, it's compressive around the waistband, but it's not like overly compressive, so it's not going to do the best job at sucking you in, but it's not bad either. You know what I mean? It still holds that area. Your muffins hold, you know, like you'll be okay. But yeah, everything was super nice fabric. I am super impressed, and I will continue to shop there when they have releases. But yeah, they still have some stuff in stock, so go check it out. Again, just my honest opinions. And that is it, guys. Let me know what other workouts you guys want to see. I will be filming one tomorrow, so leave me suggestions down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because I always have try-ons, activewear, workouts, makeup. I have everything. Whole Mary Poppins bag of my channel. Bye, guys.